What's up, blockchain? This is Nick from Truth Blitz. I am doing this video because somebody requested it. I have done one EOS token registration tutorial before. This is going to be another one. This is going to be how to do it with MetaMask and using the official token registration on the EOS.io website. Now, you will not be able to access this website with a United States IP address. So I'm not going to tell you what to do if you're in the United States, but that should give you an inkling of what I'm trying to get across here. So you will need to have an IP address that is not in the US to even access the website. Alright, so I'm not going to show you how to set up MetaMask. You need to set up MetaMask. You need to save your seed words. You need to have at least 0.01 Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet. You also need to add the EOS token information to your MetaMask and then send all your EOS tokens to that wallet address as well. I've already done that. So we're going to go from there. So you will go to the EOS.io/instructions. Then you will go click on the EOS token distribution. It's loading. Okay. It's going to give you this right here. Now, this is going to be your MetaMask address. Okay, so as you can see, it shows that I have one EOS token in that wallet. I have 0.01 Ethereum, and I have my wallet address. Make sure that this is your MetaMask wallet address. So what we're going to do from there is register EOS key. Now, this is my first time doing this, so I've never done it before. So I'm going to show you what needs to be done. Actually, let's get out Notepad. My computer's a little bit slow. Okay, so we're going to have a Notepad ready. Please back up the displayed private key displayed below in multiple safe locations before continuing. You should make more than one copy and keep all copies in separate secure locations. If you use an external storage device such as a USB stick, make sure to safely eject the device before continuing. Okay, so we're going to take this information here. We're going to copy. We're going to go to that Notepad document. We're going to paste it in place. Let's just verify, make sure everything's the same. I have EOS, and it ends in VBZ. That's the public. EOS ZBV. Okay. So we're going to save that. We'll save it to documents. Now we're going to confirm our private key. So we're going to paste this private key in here. I've backed up my private key. Okay. So basically next what's going to need to happen is it is going to send to the smart contract address, OXDCCF. Alright, let me just see here. Hold on. We're going to submit. So MetaMask basically does all the work. Okay, it says public key registering key, so we'll wait and see. I didn't get an Etherscan transaction. Something's happening though. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I'm doing it live for you guys. We're going to see how it works out, and if all goes well, you guys can follow these directions exactly how I'm doing it and do it yourselves. Let's view the account on Etherscan. Okay, so it did go through. And it still says wait for EOS key to be generated, back up your keys. We did that. Enter your private key in the confirm private key field. Okay, so I refreshed my browser and you can see that it did in fact register this key. It says right here that it's registered. So that's pretty much it. Any questions, you guys can let me know, but it's not that hard to figure out. You just need to have MetaMask, need to have it all set up, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching.